Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching food names in Sotho. Dijo tsa mantsibuya. Dijo tsa mantsibuya. Dijo tsa mantsibuya means dinner. Sineke. Sineke. Sineke means snack. Nama. Nama. Nama means meat. Nama ya kgoho. Nama ya kgoho. Nama ya kgoho means chicken meat. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.